Welcome to the Jensen Product Focus Series. In this video, we'll review the Jensen CDR462 and the CMR270 double DIN receivers. Looking for an easier way to upgrade your vehicle entertainment system? The Jensen CDR462 and CMR270 receivers fit most 2-DIN dash openings and feature built-in Bluetooth for hands-free calling and audio streaming. A dedicated push-to-talk button lets you activate the voice assistant on your smartphone connected via Bluetooth. Playback your favorite songs from micro SD cards, USB drives, or via the 3.5mm aux connection. Both receivers have 200 watts of peak power and include a backup camera input so that you can stay aware of your surroundings even while reversing. The Jensen CDR462 multimedia receiver has a 6.2-inch touchscreen and features DVD Playback for your disc collection. 3 pairs of RCA preamp outputs combined with a video output makes it easy to add amplifiers and send your favorite movies to backseat monitors on your next trip. If ease of installation is your priority, check out the CMR270 media receiver, which features a short-depth chassis while still boasting a 7-inch touchscreen. Use the J-Link Smart Remote app to control key receiver features via an Apple or Android smartphone connected via Bluetooth. Whichever model you choose, you can count on Jensen's robust quality and performance to elevate your ride.